Welcome to the standby setup tutorial for the Introdyne AOS 7 archiving platform. The warm standby feature enables an Introdyne archiver to operate in standby mode, recording only the data sent by its associated master archiver. To begin this process, you will need 2 or more available machines with one already set up as a master archiver. When setting up your standby archiver, go through the onboarding process as usual until you reach the warm standby page. Change this selection to Yes, then Proceed. Once you enter the identifying address of the master archiver, click Save and Continue. A pop-up window will appear to confirm this selection. The next page requires the standby configuration key from the master archiver. To find this, you will need to log into your master archiver and click the Backup tab in the top menu. You can find the standby key, along with an easy copy button on this page. Copy this and switch back to the standby onboarding page. Returning to the standby setup, enter the copied standby configuration key and click Save and Continue. You should be directed to a connection page with a VPN key. Copy this key before switching back to the master archiver one last time. You will need to set up your standby machine as a target for the master archiver. Enter a name for this and click Add Standby Target. Input the copied VPN key and either the FQDN or IP address of the standby archiver. Click Save to confirm these details. You should now see the archiver under the list of designated targets. Switching back, the standby archiver has been identified by an established connection to the master archiver. The archiver will now reboot as a standby machine. This process may take several minutes. When your standby archiver reboots, it will be ready for login. You can check the standby overview page of the master machine to verify this connection and view its details. You can log in to your standby archiver with the same credentials as the master machine it is linked to. Your standby archiver is now activated and ready to use. This concludes the standby onboarding tutorial. For more tutorials, visit support.introdyne.com.